Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So, first of all, I would like to request please subscribe my YouTube channel and support us. Follow, join, and press the bell icon button for getting a latest update immediately once we release the video. So if you are a NetSuite developer or trainee or learning NetSuite as a functional consultant or technical consultant or like NetSuite developer, then this video will be helpful for you to understand the billing schedule, billing modules in NetSuite, how NetSuite bills our customers automatically as a recurrence basis. So that we'll discuss. We have understand in our previous video how what is billing schedule, how we can create the billing schedule, and how we assign the billing schedule on the transaction. So in previous video we have understand that what is the billing schedule, how we can create a billing schedule. In today's video we are going to understand how it applies the billing schedule on the transaction level. So in the real world, real time scenario, we'll see one example with our sales order how we can create. So let's go back to the module. So here, let's go to the sales order first. Before that, I will like to explain the billing schedule. This is the billing schedule, test billing schedule we have created based on this scenario. So on this, we have already created on video. So that is already uploaded in YouTube channel. So if you want to learn, if you want to find, just go to YouTube channel, search the channel name, YouTube channel name, Sweet Stream Tutorial, then you can find the all the content. So there will be a list of content. You can get the playlist for functional training. All the videos series wise will be uploaded there, so you can find and step by step which according to your requirement you can learn, and from there you can do the some practice on real time scenario. So this billing schedule we are going to use. So if you don't know the billing schedule, you can go to that channel and you can find and you can learn. So once you learn, then in this video we will learn how we can use billing schedule in our NetSuite. So this billing schedule we have created. So you can also assign the billing schedule on the item level. Then also once you have assigned that based on item, so then you need to create on sales order. So let's say this sales order I have created. Once this sales order will be approved, then next process will be billing. How we can bill. So before that, you need to like select that billing schedule here. This is our test billing schedule we have created here. So just we have selected here. Then we can save it. So once we'll save this, then this will consider the billing schedule. So then automatically this will bill to a customer based on, and it will generate multiple invoice, in the sense four invoice according to our setup. So this how it will work, I will explain here. So when billing schedule is split in this, like it will split into four section, like four part. So every 3 months it will bill, because we have set up as a quarterly. So it will be calculated. So each installment, if we consider this amount, total amount of 20%, then this 55,125.00 will be each quarter. So this will like follow the same scenario when the invoice will generate in next quarter. So each quarter, initially it will pay 25%, in the sense now when we are generating that invoice, first invoice, then after 3 months, again it will generate pay 25%, in the sense 55 125 rupees dollars. Then in the 6 month, it will third quarter it will pay 25%. Then in the last it will pay 25, in the sense then only it will complete 100% of billing. So let's follow this process once. So this sales order is new, fresh. There is no build previously. So let's create a first bill, first quarter. So once will system will automatically calculate and it will split into the four types. So here the first quarter bill. So this will be first quarter bill. So here you can see, as you can see in the example previously we have said, 55,125 dollars. So this will be the one bill. So for each quarter it will generate an invoice. So if you go to that invoice again, sales order, that checkbox that we need to display here. So here you can see the one invoice is generated for this first quarter. So same way we have to click next bill. So it will generate up to four invoice based on each splitted amount for each quarter. So each quarter will be generated this way, like this. So this is the way how we can use a billing schedule to provide the flexibility to our customers, how they can bill like quarterly, like installment wise. So this, in this scenario, if we follow this scenario, the customer will not also feel burden on that. So at a time they need to pay in the whole amount. So they can split into multiple types and they can pay. So these two invoice we have generated for two quarters. This is, I see, one first date and second for April 1st, and after 3 months because the invoice date was 1st January. So based on that, it was generated two quarterly invoice. Now there are two remaining invoice will generate for each next two quarters up to 1 years. So once a four quarterly invoice will be generated, so then invoice sales order will be billed fully. So this scenario, this in this way, we can use billing schedule in our NetSuite. NetSuite automatically will consider, and it will system will automatically split based on the billing schedule. So this is the way how we can use our billing schedule module in our NetSuite to define that customers flexibility, and we can provide some relief to our customers so they can use and they can easily pay their EMI installment like same this way. So that's it for today. I think this video will helpful for you to understand the billing schedule module and how we can apply in our real-time scenario with that use cases. So I believe that with this video will very helpful for the beginners. And if you are having any doubt, so you can comment us. So I will be providing that answer on the comment. So if you have any comment, please feel free to reach out. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment, and please press the bell icon button so when we are uploading new video, so that at the time you will get notified with our new content. So you will be first one. So we will get that content and will learn. So in our next video we are going to work on this chapter we are going to beginning with the new chapter. So like inventory part, so how we can do the inventory adjustment, what is the inventory adjustment, how we can do the inventory transfer, then how we can create inventory worksheet, or all the modules in upcoming videos we are going to cover with a small separate video, so that will be easy to understand. So please be active on that. And thank you for joining us. See you in our next video. Thank you.